welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be organizing my wardrobe and my closet right here. Once the new year hits, I just purge and organize and get rid of so much stuff in my house. I think most people do. It just feels so good to get rid of things that you're not using or wearing anymore. And my closet is the last thing that I have done because I just put it off. Throughout the year, I throw everything in my closet, things that probably don't belong in the closet, and I need to get rid of a lot of things. But before we get started on organizing and purging my wardrobe in here, I wanted to thank Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. If you guys haven't heard of Poshmark, I have been using it for a really long time now to sell my clothes. You can sell and buy clothes on their app, and if you're interested in downloading the app and shopping in my closet, if you see anything in this video that I'm getting rid of that you think you want, you can shop my closet by downloading the app in the description box below. And if you guys already have a Poshmark closet, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. That way other people can check out your closet as well. The same day that this video goes up, I'm going to be posting a minimum of at least 10 things. I've given myself a 10 thing rule that I have to get rid of, but probably more. So check out my closet and check out Poshmark for selling your clothes. If you decide after this video that you are ready to organize your own closet, then sell all of your stuff on Poshmark, make some extra money, and go buy some more clothes. That's usually what I do with mine. I kind of refresh my wardrobe with the money that I make by selling my old clothes. You can also sell like baby clothes on there too, and kids clothes. I do that a lot. I will post my kids clothes on there as well. And I really enjoy doing it using the app, and sending stuff off is so easy. They send you a label, you just take it prepaid, ready to go, and ship it off. So it is super easy. Check out the description box below, download the app. Let's go ahead and get started on organizing and purging my closet here because I have a feeling this is gonna take a while. So here is my closet right now. I do organize it often, so it's not like it's gone, you know, a year or so without being organized. I do organize it a lot, but I'm not good at like keeping it that way. So this is a built-in shoe rack. I honestly hate it. You walk in the closet and you immediately hit the shoe rack, and I feel like it takes away so much space. Not my favorite, but I don't think I'm gonna take it out, just because we're gonna be, you know, moving in a year or so, and the next people might like it, so I don't know. Anyways, I've got this space right here, all this space down here, and then there's just some clutter underneath here, like an old hamper. I've got my hunter boots. I've got another shoe rack over here. And then on this side is my husband's stuff, and he has been going through all of his stuff. He has like a huge bag that's going to Goodwill right now that he just cleaned out. And then we have so much laundry to do that we're missing quite a bit of our wardrobe. Like here's one of our hampers that needs to be cleaned. And then there's usually another hamper right here, but that is in the laundry room. I'm gonna take out all of my clothes and I'm gonna lay them out, and I'm gonna get rid of things that I'm not wearing, and then hang them back up in some kind of orderly fashion. Now that I've taken everything out of my closet, I go through a process in my head. I look at the item and I think, have I worn this in the last month or two? And if I haven't, I'm probably not going to wear it anytime soon. And I went ahead and put those items in the Poshmark or giveaway pile. When I used to clean out my closet, I used to hold on to things for potential special occasions, like, oh, I might wear this one day, but usually that one day never happens, and I've gotten a lot better at being able to get rid of things instead of just holding on to them just because. So the pile folded to the right are the items that I'm going to be getting rid of or posting on Poshmark. So stay tuned. Here in just a minute, I'm going to show you guys everything that's going to be going on Poshmark. Before I hang up everything in my closet that I am keeping, I'm going to go through all of it and sort it by category. I used to sort my closet by color, but I have found that doing it by category is a lot easier for me to keep organized and to find things. So for example, right now I am sorting by cardigans in one pile and dresses and rompers in the other pile, and this right here is a sweater pile. Okay, so I organized these the best way that I know how, pretty much by like category of what they are. So right here I have like spaghetti strap shirts, and then this right here is jackets or vests. This is like athletic wear, so like athletic jackets or athleisure or whatever you want to call it. These are different t-shirts here. These are regular shirts that are long sleeve, and then this is sweatshirts right there. And then sweaters is all underneath that. And then this is dresses and rompers. And then I haven't gone through all of these yet. I'm gonna go through those as I hang them up, but all of these are pants. So they're either jeans, leggings, or shorts. So now I'm gonna hang up this stuff in my closet and make it semi-organized, and then I'll show you guys. Okay guys, so after seriously purging my closet, this is everything that I'm going to be getting rid of, and most of this stuff you will probably see on my Poshmark closet, so definitely check that out when you're done with this video if you see anything here that you like. If you see something here that is not in my Poshmark closet, it is because it either had a stain or a rip or something. I'm going to go through all of these items before I post them and make sure that they are good to go before I send them off. You will probably see the majority of these here, but if you don't see some of them, that is why. But I had a goal of getting rid of about 10 things, and I'm gonna say this is quite a bit more than 10. So I feel like I did really good. I already feel lighter, and it's not even out of my house yet, but I feel so good about getting rid of all of this stuff. So if you guys are getting the itch to clean out your closet, post your stuff on Poshmark, and then go and refresh your wardrobe. So once my wardrobe was cleaned out and put back in, I decided to go through and organize my shoes a little bit. I placed them on the rows by coordinating shoes. They're not in there perfectly, but they are a little bit more organized than when we started. Next, I've had this old hamper sitting in my closet, and it has just been collecting random things. Whenever I find something that doesn't have a place, I just throw it in there. And so now I'm cleaning it out, and I actually found this jumpsuit that I've been looking for a while. So next is my favorite part of cleaning out any space, and that is vacuuming. I love this vacuum, and I will link it below in case you guys are interested. Okay guys, so I think I am done for this closet clean out. Jeff and I got rid of so much stuff. I have all of that stuff to list on Poshmark and the rest that I'm going to donate. And this looks so much better. I organized all of those, and then I hung athleisure down here. Remember, the majority of my wardrobe needs to be washed. So I have a bunch of leggings and stuff that needs to go down there. And then I decided to put my jeans right here next to the dresses and rompers. And as you can see, there is no jeans here because they're all dirty. So the rest of that will be filled up with jeans. And then I've got shoes there. And then my husband and I have our shoes. Well, this portion is all of my shoes. And then these are my caps right here. And then I organized my husband's side of the closet. So let me scoot back so you guys can see a little bit better. So here are all of his short sleeve shirts, and then up here we've got all of his long sleeve shirts and regular like button up shirts over here. And then you can actually walk over here in this area, but the only thing that's over here is a suitcase right now because I don't really have anywhere else to put it. But other than that, this space looks so much better. There's room to walk. There's nothing on the ground. As you can see right here, there is plenty of space. Right up here in the top of the closet, this box right here is a bunch of maternity clothes that I kept. So I'm actually gonna have to get those down very soon, but those are all the ones that I wanted to keep for my next pregnancy. So I'll need to take those down here in a month or two. And then this right here is a sign for the fall. I didn't really have anywhere else to store it. It's a brand new sign that I got on sale. And then this is a wreath for the spring. And then these two boxes right here, one is mine and one is my husband's, and they have like paperwork and stuff in them. And then that's really it. Okay guys, that is it for my closet organization and wardrobe purge video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it gave you a little bit of inspiration to clean out your own closet. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box below, download the Poshmark app, and check out my closet while you're at it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.